Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your Redmi 14C. Now to do this, all you have to do is launch the theme application on your device. So find the themes app and then tap on it to proceed. And then within the themes app, all you have to do is select wallpapers. So tap on that. And then now you should see a list of available wallpapers you can use for your Redmi 14C. Alternatively, if you want to select specific wallpapers, there's a list here at the top. So you can see there's a categories to see a category of all the wallpapers. You can see the ones that you favorite or the ones that you selected as favorite. You can see them from here. You can choose from scenery option. You can choose to see the new wallpapers by simply tapping on new. And also you can choose to select the trending wallpapers by tapping on top. So let's say, for instance, if you like to see all the categories for the wallpapers, you can simply tap on categories, and then I should see a list of all the categories for your wallpapers. Now find the category that you'd like to use or to select a wallpaper from. So let me say this category space. You can tap on that. And then this will launch all the wallpapers under that specific category. So find the wallpaper that you'd like from the category that you choose, depending on which category you've chosen. So scroll down and find the wallpaper that you'd like. So let's say this one. Tap on it. And then I should see a preview of what it looks like. You can tap on it to see the lock screen, and you can tap on it to see how it looks like on your home screen. So once you select the wallpaper, all you have to do, you'll see this option, home screen effects, at the bottom. So here it is, the home screen effects. So you can tap on it, and then you should see a couple of options appears. So you can choose to blur the wallpaper, and if you select it, you can see the wallpaper has been blurred. And also you can choose to have the wallpaper scroll effect, whereby whenever you scroll into a new home screen, it will scroll with the wallpaper. Now once you have customized your wallpaper to suit your needs, simply tap on apply at the top right corner. And then from this option, you'll be prompted to choose either to set it as a lock screen, as a home screen, or you can choose to set as both. So since you are setting it as a wallpaper, all you have to do is simply select set as home screen, and then allow it to set as a home screen wallpaper, and you should see the notification home screen wallpaper has been applied. Now once you exit the application, the themes app, you can see now you have successfully changed your wallpaper on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.